Today, we have an unboxing for the Buds Breeze. These are headphones that I had no idea of actually acquiring. These seem to be able to bring profit, and guys, I'm exposed how much I actually paid for these and also how much these are selling for. We're going to give this a score on a scale of 1 to 10 on if we should recommend this and also sell this on a consistent basis. And of course, on my channel, Hustler Taught Me, I'll do a full analysis, a weekly test of me selling these pods and seeing exactly how much we make. Now, this is the black one. We also have a silver one, and I also have a white one that I did unbox yesterday on live on Hustler Taught Me. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out my other channel. I unboxed this one because I kind of knew what to expect, and I saved the ones that really excite me for you guys at Is It Worth Flipping. This is a product that not a lot of people are getting that isn't branded. Most people that are selling reps and they're trying to sell these fake headphones are selling the headphones as Galaxy. They're misguiding, misleading their customers, ending up with chargebacks, and most importantly, just problems. But what I do here is I give you guys other alternatives for products that are not going to get you banned, won't get you restricted, and most importantly, get you profit. First thing we're going to talk about, I was selling these Bud 2s, right? And these Bud 2s were actually really good. If you don't remember, definitely check out the video. It was the Bud 2 Pros. They were the black and purple pair. Now, without further ado, let's stop the talking and let's actually start unboxing. All right, first we're gonna actually talk about packaging. Now, the packaging on these Buds, superb. I definitely would give this a 9 out of 10. No logo, which is really important, but not just the fact that it doesn't have a logo, it also has a little bit of information I wasn't expecting it to actually have. A SKU and serial number. At first, I thought these were stickers. They're not. These are actually embedded onto the product. Other than that, the box does display that sticker right here where it tells the customer, do not accept if the label is damaged. It does come with this plastic wrap. This is really good plastic wrap. It's shrunk on there, obviously. And I emphasize, we have not opened these yet. You can order sample. So one sample is $17. You can order 4, 6, or 12 quantity, or even more, right? You're going to get these for as low as $14, okay? As low as $14. And I think that this is a product you're easily gonna make your money back with. Okay. Comes with the headphone, and then the pamphlet is inside as well. Let me open this one while we're at it. Okay, and here goes the gray. So we have the black, we have the gray. The reason I like these Galaxy ones over the AirPods, Galaxy usually does put, it puts the model, okay? Now this model number right here is the exact model, and it tells you that it's a OEM pair of headphones. So the pamphlet is going to just display basically telling the customer exactly what they can use this for, how to use these, the touchpad, the touch dial, and etc. These are surprisingly heavier than what I felt like the box was, which is interesting. I'm liking this, and you can see it's already charged. That's a plus, right? Now opening this, then you have the UPC charging adapter right here where you can put your charger. The headphones, I will say they feel plastic. Be honest, they feel plastic. They don't feel like how the AirPods feel. AirPods, they give me like this luxurious, sleek feel. I'm not really liking the black. It does have the magnetic pull to snap the headphones back in. The gray ones, I was excited about these. Now, case feels good. I like this. Okay, I like the gray. I don't think the gray's bad. These again, maybe I'm just spoiled because I saw the white ones. But the white ones, they were lighting up. They look really cool. This to me just looks cool. It just looks okay. I like the color though. The color does not disappoint. Honestly, guys, based on the review, I would give this a 8.5. I don't think that the product's bad. I do like the product. At $14 to get a pod that resembles a close, very close high ticket item, I don't think you can beat that. Remember, when you are dealing with a low ticket product, you can easily make it affordable for the people that want to look like they have the Galaxy, but don't actually want to pay Galaxy money. And speaking of that, we're going to hop on the computer and we're going to actually look at how much these are actually going for. But this seems like something you can actually make profit off of. Let's take a quick look at what these are actually being listed for. So we have the Samsung box, of course, saying Samsung. And just to give you guys a recap, the boxes we just went over don't say Samsung on them. That is not something that's going to bring your listing down. It actually can help you. You have people that are doing auction style auctions. $46, $36, $39. So let's actually go over to hustlertaughtme.com. I already have it pulled up, but I want to show you how to go to it. Go over to I Need Business Tools, okay? Now, when you go here, you have a profit margin calculator, completely free, okay? Open this calculator, and then you could actually type in things like the buds, okay? So buds 3, okay? And we know that we can get these for $14. $14, let's say our expected price, selling price per unit. If we're looking here, what I would do is just get the median price. So I would say, we could look right here. So we could say 39 plus 43 plus 56, divide that by 3, $46. Okay, we could start there. I would just do 40. I would do like $40. You see, that's gonna be a $20 and $16 profit. I mean, 16-cent profit. What this profit margin calculator does, guys, I developed it myself with my new AI built for resellers called the Brain, okay? And the Brain doesn't just look at the numbers you put in, it also can look at eBay. It looks at exactly what's going on within eBay and your projected sell rate, but it can do Mercari, Amazon, Facebook. I built all these tools by myself with code to actually incorporate what I do and other students of mine do to actually look up prices. So you definitely are free to use this. Definitely check out hustlertaughtme.com. But $20 profit, pretty good. I think that even if we wanted to go down to like 35, we could. But again, you're eating your profit. This is putting in the fees and everything as well, okay? But you start getting dangerous when you start talking about 25 or 20, right? We wanna make sure our profit margins are making sense. So I would start at like 40. I could start at 40. Now, what I wanna say too, guys, if you were looking to actually go ahead and get a pair of these, you can go here, go to wholesale, okay? And here they are right here. All right, you got the Buds 3 wireless earbuds. You can get a sample for $17.99, but then you get 4, 6, or 12 you would like. You also can, of course, just buy regular units, but these are all in packs, okay? We do this because we are selling at a discounted rate. And remember when I said the Brain, right? The Brain actually can tell you a score based on your buying habits. So there's a lot with this website you guys should check out. It also gives you the estimate profit. It tells you what platforms to sell on. This pulls live data. It is hooked up with eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, Google Trends. I hooked this up to a lot of different places so we can always stay up to date. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and tell me what you guys think about these Bud 3s. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.